This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Joyce C. Tapscott. Stunning 1.5-story all-brick condo in Plantation Springs, main level master bedroom with large bath and adjoining laundry room. Great room with cathedral ceilings, dining room, kitchen with island, and glazed maple cabinets opening to breakfast room and large patio area for grilling and entertaining. 2 bedrooms up with spacious loft and large bonus room above the 2-car garage with work sink.Lots of storage including pantry. Plantation Springs offers beautiful landscaped grounds, a traditional manor house for entertaining, 2 pools, tennis courts and gated secure entrance.All conveniently located near I-140, the airport, UT and Oak Ridge. Convenience and location in a beautiful setting in Plantation Springs. Showing appointments begin Monday, 8:15. For more information, review the details below or contact Joyce Z. Tapscott at 865-584-4000.